I'm not the world's best single pin picker, and this isn't, strictly speaking, single pin picking either. But I wanted to show you the dedicated dimple picking set. From my point of view, especially this tool. Can you see that? Yeah. It's a little dimple rake. It's got this wonderful little paddle on the back end of it. I'm thinking it might be a nice set of picks, you know, to have these paddles with your picks. Anyway, I'm using the tension wrench out the Southwold sets with the twist in it because it's my favourite wrench. And I'm using this pick from the dedicated dimple set. Yeah, which allows you, when you're in it, you just rock. You move it and rock up your pins like that. So we've got a multi-lock Garrison 7-pin. There's the key. Yeah, cam spinning there. Oh. And then I'm putting that key down, and I put another key in to show it's locked. Yeah, good. Still crazy that we still have to prove these things. So you get loads of these different ends in this kit anyway. There's loads of them in here. And now I'm going to show you how it works. When you wrench up your multi-locks, I wouldn't do that. Oh, I wouldn't do that. I can't get the camera in really close enough, but you can get it there so that the top left of your wrench here is in the guide rail of the multi-lock. See that? So it's there, okay? Cool, that was risky. Never done that before. I feel like a proper director. Now check the rake out. This thing, by the way, is the handle for all the other tools. It's just a simple little pin vise. You unscrew it, pop the tool in, and screw it up. Right. I won't hold that in my mouth as usual because I've got to talk. So this goes in. Bit of pressure, obviously, on the wrench. And then just backwards and forwards. You can feel them setting. You know the sort of things you're feeling for when you're doing this sort of thing. And when you think you've got as many as you're going to get, which is probably about there, I can't really describe that. But you can hear them sort of set and then coming out, and well, I can. Right, put that down. It's essential you maintain the same pressure. And then in with this pick, and like I said, you just tilt it. I'm holding the pick a lot further back than I usually would, so that you can see what I'm doing. I can just push it through the barrel, find the pin that isn't set, and then just tilt it and set it, and then move on to the next one. I'm losing loads now. Right, go back in with the rake. There, only go 3 then. We go in, and there's one right at the end. I think that's probably about the 5th. That one's done. Next one. Oh, I've overshot the pick now. I've just taken the tension off. Oh, there you go. Now, when it gets round halfway, it seals up because of the pins. Obviously, you've got this gap here. And that's what these tools are for. You just pop that in, push the pins down. Let's try the other side. And you can carry on and undo your lock. Thank you very much.